I'm going to be making pan-seared sea bream with asparagus, fregola, and sugar snap peas today with a little zucchini as well. All right, so you see where this fin is right here? Right behind the fin and where the bones are, you can feel for them a little bit. So we cut all the way down behind this other fin. All right. Then we take the tip of our knife and giving it an even pressure with your hand. I am just cutting through the skin. My knife is on the bones. All right, and then we're gonna end about here. All right, now we make a quick U-turn and we're gonna start cutting through bones. All right, so. And it comes right off. All right, just gonna cut underneath. See, underneath the rib bones on the belly flap. All right, so then I'm gonna go pull these guys out. So steady, even pressure. All right, now, along the top, we want to cut along there too, because that's where the base of the dorsal fins were, and then we score it 3 times. So when we cook pasta in water like the ocean, but before I get to my fregola, I have some blanching to do. I can use this same water. So I'm gonna wait for this to come to a boil. I'm gonna salt my shocking water. I'm also going to be making an arugula pesto. So I'm going to be using some pine nuts. Let's just get these going, huh? So, asparagus. Snap it. Okay, so these are going to be ready to go into my blanching water. Now, my zucchini, I'm just gonna dice up a little bit. In the inside, they're very, very starchy. So I'm just gonna use the green part. So I'm cutting off sort of the cheeks. And there we go. Now I have got my sticks, and so let's make dices. All right. So I have some beautiful little spring onions. I am going to handle these like I would handle any other onion. But the tops up top have a lot of flavor. Some of the tops are very woody, but like these little green parts on the top, I'm gonna put them in my arugula pesto. Why not? I have them. So cut them in half the long way. Nicey, nicey, so just let them cool down a little bit. So, asparagus in. I'm just gonna cut these while I'm waiting for that to happen because this is going to go in my arugula pesto, which I'm gonna make in the blender. All right, so asparagus done, sugar snap peas. A handful. I'm just gonna lay these on paper towels so the water starts to blot it off. I'm going to saute this in some olive oil and garlic. In the meantime, let's make pesto. So some arugula. These guys I'm putting in there. All right, I'm gonna put a garlic clove in there. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese and some salt. So I'm gonna just check my sugar snaps. My water, I'm bringing back to a boil. I'm going to cook about a cup of fregola. So, pesto. Now, I like to make pesto in a blender. I like to add my oil in bits, so I don't flood the whole situation. Pine nuts. All right. So, all right. I'm going to strain it. I'm just gonna let this hang out. I'm just gonna give this a teeny tiny little drizzle of olive oil just so it doesn't get, all stick back together. I am going to saute my asparagus first with garlic and olive oil. Okay, pinch of crushed red. My oil is perfumed. Thank you for coming, garlic. You've fulfilled your garlic destiny. So, I am just tossing these around to warm them up. Coat them with olive oil, another little tiny pinch of salt. I'm just gonna set these guys aside. All right, so I still have all this delicious oil in there, right? Yeah. So, what do we think about this? All right. Zucchini, basically, I just wanna take the raw off them. Now, I'm gonna add just a little bit of chicken stock to this. So I am gonna turn this off and cook my fish. So for my fish, I'm going to use a non-stick pan. Oil. Now, we have this non-stick pan, but we have this pan also. Like what? So, and I'm gonna oil. So while I'm waiting for my pan to heat up, lemon zest to here, I mean, why not? So I'm not gonna go bananas with lemon here. All right, so now, see how I'm seasoning it? So watch this fish when I put it in the pan, what it's gonna do.
Oh,
wow.
See?
Oh my God.
Right. Pressure. So, extra garlic, throw it in, why not? And I also wanna make sure I salt the bottom, right? So, let's just take a little look-see here. See, nice crispy fish skin. So, there we go. All right, so it's nice and hot. I'm gonna add my sugar snaps. Get everybody tossed together. A little parm. Now, plating. Pesto first, I'm gonna do. Asparagus. I'm gonna do a nice, lovely little bundle of asparagus, all pointing the same direction. Fregola. Ooh, that lemon is so nice and bright. Nestle it right in there so I can see all the parts of everything. These are little sorrel leaves, and sorrel is a green that's available in the springtime, and it's very bright and lemony. A beautiful plate of food.